One of the primary goals of education is to modify a student's behavior so that learning becomes a positive experience. A student, however, cannot be simply willed to accept the teaching and possibly change his or her attitude towards learning. Each term, I start a new semester with a course outline. In broad terms, I inform my class what will be covered and state my expectations of the class and of each student. I notice that some of my students react emotionally. They appear shocked and go into avoidance mode. These students seem to be thinking, "You can't be serious. There is no way I am going to," or else, "Let me out of this class. I want to talk to the department head." If the student continues with the course, I often notice that they test my resolve and often complain to me, "I have 5 quizzes, 4 papers, 3 presentations, 2 meetings, and a partridge to take care of next week. How can you expect my project at that same time?" Be assured, most instructors have heard it all. The next stage I notice is eventual surrender and acceptance. The teacher is not yielding to my complaints. I guess I'd better do it. If they stick with it, amazing things will happen. Initially, the student struggles, but then she or he gains confidence and experiences success and a good feeling. Often the student admits, "It wasn't bad after all. Why did I resist in the first place?" Self-discovery takes place. Indeed, a positive outcome. Of course, educators can help students overcome a negative attitude towards a course, but how much more effective would it be if the student became aware of the stages of his or her own resistance, accepted responsibility for the workload, and got down to being productive?